Good morning. In this session, we will see more about PHP. As we have seen in the last session about different variables, how to use the variables. We have seen about the var underscore dump function. We have seen how to use print in place of echo. Now in this we will see about PHP dollar and double dollar variables. Already we have seen dollar, single dollar we have seen, now we will see double dollar. So dollar, single dollar, var, if it is a variable, is a normal variable with the name var that stores any value like string, integer, float, etc. The double dollar var is a reference variable that stores the value of the dollar var inside it. Now to know more about that, we will see a simple example. First, PHP tag $x is equal to, within double quotes, ABC string value, $x is equal to 200 integer value, echo $x and echo $x. Now we will see execute this. So we have to use our editor. PHP $x is equal to dollar $x is equal to double dollar $y is equal to 200 $y is equal to 4000. Now we will print all this. Echo single dollar value quick paste, and then we'll print the remaining. Single dollar y value is equal to $y, double dollar y value is equal to $y. Then closing PHP, save. Where we have to save? We have to save in XAMPP, C drive XAMPP folder. In that we have to go to htdocs. In that we have to go to dashboard. In that our user defined folder. Here my own folder is my PHP code. In that I am saving. Saving as php $.php. Now to run our PHP we have to start our server. So we have to open our XAMPP control panel. So my control panel is ready. So I have to start my Apache server. Apache server is working fine, it is started. Now I have to go to the browser, type localhost. Yes, my server is ready. You will see localhost/dashboard. Now I have to click my PHP code. And file name is php $.php. Single $x is equal to $. I got double $x value is $of $, because $2 of x, so $x is nothing but $. And single dollar y value is equal to 200, double dollar y value is equal to $200. Now in depth we will see about this. In this now we have written $x. Now we will just change a little bit. Echo dollar. No, what is $x? $x is dollar. So dollar of dollar. Similarly, here echo dollar y. What is dollar y? Dollar y is 200. So dollar 200. So why we are writing here dollar and dollar is, I'll show it in comments. Dollar x can be written as dollar open parenthesis dollar x, right? So what is dollar x? Dollar x is equal to dollar, right? So what we are doing, we are writing dollar open parenthesis dollar. Similarly, here dollar y is equal to dollar open parenthesis dollar y. And dollar of, what is dollar y? Dollar y is nothing but 200. So we will get dollar of 200. Save and then unexpected dollar at line 14. We got an error at line 14, so we will see what is that. So here why we are getting error? After dollar, the variable name should always start with a character. Here it is starting with digits. That's why we are getting error at this particular line. See, if I just do comment here, see, I got the answer. Whereas in the earlier, it was a string. So I got the answer. For numbers, the dollar followed by number is an invalid syntax. That's why we got error. We'll see some in depth about that dollar of dollar with this particular example. Here we opened PHP. Dollar name is equal to cat. Dollar name is equal to dog. Dollar again dollar s name is equal to monkey. Echo dollar name, echo dollar name, echo dollar cat, echo dollar of dollar s name, and echo dollar dog. So 1, 2, 3, 5 echo statements are there. We will see what will get the output. Save it. PHP $1 .php. In output I got cat, dog, monkey and monkey. So how we got this? I'll just give the clarity. So here dollar name is equal to cat is given, then dollar of dollar name is equal to dog. So if you see that it's nothing but dollar flower bracket, dollar s name is cat. So what is dollar of cat, which is nothing but dog. From the second statement we can say that dollar name is equal to dog is nothing but dollar of cat, which is equal to dog. Next here dollar again dollar, what is dollar name? Cat. Again this is equal to what is dollar of cat from the second line. You can say that it's dollar of dog. So what is dollar of dog? Dollar of dog is nothing but monkey. So here what we are printing? Dollar name. So dollar name is we will get cat here. Then dollar name we will get dog. And what is dollar cat? From second line we can say it is dog. Then this is $3 name from above, you can say it is monkey. So $dog from the third line, you can say also it is monkey. So what we should get in the output? Cat, dog, monkey. So we'll just save, just execute. So we got cat, dog, monkey. That is what is cat, dog, monkey. So we got the output. So this is about the dollars. Next we will see about constants. A constant, PHP constant and its types, we will see. A constant is a name or an identifier for a simple value. A constant value cannot change during the execution of the script. By default, a constant is case sensitive. So by conventions, constant identifiers are always uppercase. A constant name starts with a letter or underscore followed by any number of letters, numbers or underscores. If you have defined a constant, it can never be changed or undefined. So you can say that constant values are never been changed and it is a case sensitive. And it should be written in uppercase. To define a constant, we have to use define function or a define method, and to retrieve the value of a constant, you have to simply specify its name. Unlike with variables, you do not need to have a constant with a dollar. So no need to write dollar before the constant. You can also use the function constant method to read a constant value if you wish to obtain the constant's name dynamically. So constant function, if you see, as indicated by the name, this function will return the value of the constant. This is useful when you want to retrieve value of a constant but you do not know its name, that is, it is stored in a variable or written by a function. You see the example, PHP tag define open parenthesis within double quotes min size comma 50 close parenthesis semicolon. Echo min size, will get the value of that. Echo constant open parenthesis within double quotes min size, also same as this echo, and then close PHP tag. In this, only scalar data like boolean, integer, float and string can be contained in constant. If you see the differences between constant and variable, there is no need to write a dollar sign before a constant, whereas in variable we have to write a dollar sign. Constant cannot be defined by simple assignment. They may only be defined using define function. constant may be defined and accessed anywhere without regard to variable scope. Once the constant have been set, may not be redefined or undefined. So we will see the example. PHP define min value or min size (20). Echo constant value is equal to min size. Next, echo constant open parenthesis then closing our PHP, saving PHP const dot PHP. So we'll go to our browser. PHP const.php, enter. Constant value is equal to 20 and 20. So we got I have defined minimum size as 20 and then I have printed constant value, so I got constant value is equal to 20, and then given a break, then echo constant. Both means the same. If you are using constant keyword, you have to use open parenthesis and then you have to do this. So we got that minimum size. Now we'll see the different versions of this constant values. Valid and invalid constant names. Define So these are the different ways of defining constants. One, this is a valid one. Two, this is also a valid one because characters followed by digit. Then string underscore digit, it is also valid. Underscore followed by string underscore, it is also a valid one. Now what is invalid is first a digit followed by strings. So we will see whether this is really a valid or invalid one. If you are trying to print the value for that, then we will be knowing. We'll use all this for each and everything. Here we have to write ONE. Here ONE. Then constant value 2, this is TWO 2. Here also TWO 2. Constant value 3 is equal to THRE 3 underscore 3. Here 3 underscore 3. Another constant value is underscore THRE underscore. Here we have to give underscore THRE underscore. Save, and then for this also write constant value is equal to 2TWO, and here echo constant is 2TWO. Just save. Just save and then execute. See, we got error. So what is the error? Syntax error, unexpected dot to t underscore d number, expecting comma or semicolon in line number 27. So here if you just make a comment, here if you make comment, we'll see. We got constant value is equal to 20, then 20. Constant value 1 is first thing. Again constant value. It's just confusing. We'll just add some break tags in between. So constant value 20, we got 20. So this constant, this 20 is if you are using with constant keyword along with echo. Then constant value 1, first thing, we got first thing. Constant value 2, second thing, we got second thing. Constant value 3, third thing, we got third thing. Constant value 4 is again third value, that is with underscores, we got third value. Then second thing, we got. So when we are using echo constant, we are getting the answer. When we are using this constant value with 2 TWO, it is throwing a error. So that's why it's invalid. It is invalid. Actually, it is taking the valid thing, but when we are trying to print that with a dot, it is throwing error because this is invalid way of accessing the constant value. So I have used echo constant keyword, then within double quotes when I have used, it is accepting because this is considered as a string. This is a valid if you are giving within double quotes. This is not valid because this is not in double quotes. So this is about constant, and more about constants. That is more about constant we will see. That is how to make a constant with case sensitive name as well as case insensitive name. So if you want to make a or create a constant with case sensitive name, we use PHP tag, define, greeting within double quotes, which is our constant name, comma, welcome to w3schools.com within double quotes, close parenthesis, semicolon, echo greeting. This is case sensitive one. So we will see this example. PHP define greeting, comma, welcome to SBTET. Echo here constant name should be given in uppercase, so used uppercase here. Echo greeting semicolon, or we can use echo echo constant constant greeting, and then here accepts another parameter called true and false. We'll see what is this. Control S, php onest1.php will execute. We got welcome to SBTET, welcome to SBTET. Why two times? Because one is using echo and one is using echo and constant. Now here I have used false. Now if I use here small letters, greeting, see it is saying use of undefined constant greeting. So it is throwing a warning, that is the error. And second one I used correct, that is cap uppercase I have used, I got welcome to SBTET. So when I have used the third parameter as false, it is not taking the greeting in lowercase. So this we call it as case sensitive. Now to make it as case insensitive, what we have to do, we have to just change this false to true. When I make that third parameter of define as true, now I will just save. So see, when I have given false, I got a error. Now I will just re-execute. See, I got the two outputs, welcome to SBTET, welcome to SBTET. That means now it is case insensitive. So making the constant value to case insensitive by giving the third parameter for define as true. If I give true means it is case insensitive. Earlier I have given false. It throwed an error. Now if I am not giving third parameter also as false, it is also throwing error, because by default it is case sensitive, it is false. So to make it case insensitive, we have to add another parameter in define called true. Just save it When I execute, I got the two outputs. And in depth about the constants we'll see in the next video.